Girl, I give me pussy and nothing new to me. She ask, so me do, I say, bitch, Google me. Girl can't time me, she can't voodoo me. She ask, so me do, I say, bitch, Google me. Diamond in my chain and nothing new to me. Them ask, so me do, I say, bitch, Google me.
What's good, YouTube? You know what day it is, right? It is a Saturday, and today I'm gonna play paintball again. Like we do this every fucking Saturday. I don't know if y'all can see me properly, but I'm about to get ready, and y'all about to journey with me, or watch me get ready, some shit like that. But y'all gonna stay tuned. All right, so y'all see me now, right? Yeah, my room is crazy, but y'all finna see me have my gear on and shit. Alright, so I'm ready. I got my gear on. You feel me? Yeah, my room is crazy. I got my gear on and shit. Y'all probably don't see this, but I have a new scope on it. You feel me? Yes, sir. So I'll catch y'all when we out there. Alright, what's good? I didn't get to record the first 4 games, but we here. You ain't no fucking big woo. Shut up.
Damn, why niggas trying to play me?
We ain't trying to play you, bro. You ain't... Tell me why I shouldn't shoot this nigga right now, bro. Ugly as hell. Ugly as hell. Yo! Yo, I swear if you hit my camera, we fighting out here. And I'm not throwing no hands.
Nigga better hold your scope with a gun?
What? Gun? You see that big stone there? Exactly. Caribbeans don't fight with hands, you notice. Unless you fight an American, y'all throw hands. We hit people whatever we see. This shit is broken. 2 before. Bear the mind. But every time I pick the fucking camera up, it fucking starts raining. Like they don't want me to vlog, so this vlog is gonna be short. Like I don't know if y'all can see, it's raining on my hand. It's drizzling right now. It's about to start going crazy. So I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah, it's falling on the camera and shit. But my machine right here, as y'all can see, I put a scope on it, so I don't know. But if it stops, oh yeah, it's gonna pour. It's gonna pour, guys. So I'll catch y'all back in a second. Alright, the vlog live. See that? Vlog. See that girl with her name Kira? Can I say her name? No, no, for now, see. Kira suck with it. See that for herself? She said, "Wood for suck." You see? No, no, for the can't see it, but as she said. This guy's out.
Remember guys, for the first 2 minutes you cannot grab the flag. Do not touch the flag.
Get up, everybody get up, go! Yo, you out, go.
Yo, y'all took them all out?
Yeah.
Good shit. Which side are you on? Huh? You over there? Yeah, get back over there. I gotta go over there? Yeah. Yo guys, let this guy respawn. Hold your fire. Hurry up, run, run.
You want the gun, you go, run!
Don't touch the flag yet. Flag is still not open. It's still not open. Do not touch it.
Hold this for me.
But how much shots the flag was? Perfect.
There's one on the ground.
This is the first time I've ever seen this shit.
Because it's teamwork. Fuck you!
Nah, don't be there.
You're out, you're out! He's out! No, you out!
He's out.
Get out, get out! Let's go, man!
Yo, hold up. Wait, guys. There's one walking out. Let him respawn.
Let him respawn, Mo, we got you!
All right. His hand is up. He's running backwards. Don't shoot him in the back. It happens, bro.
That's crazy. Why y'all sit on the wall? I'm back!
1 minute hold left, guys, on the flag. 1 minute hold left.
Pyro! Bring him out. Right, bring it right, bring it right.
Still there, bro.
He's hit, he's hit. Wait, you're fucking out!
Yeah, he's out, he's out. Hey, oh, 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 oh.
All of us, come on, push out. Ready?
Yo, somebody go there.
Yeah.
2, 3.
The flag is open! The flag is open! Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep fighting, keep fighting! 3 months. It's the first fucking time I've seen over 20 niggas at that fucking hole, bro. It's usually me and 3 other people by myself up there, bro.
Why?
I just seen that shit got my dick hard. Y'all niggas went off.
Gay!
Hey,
I
you
told-
still recording? Yeah, you gotta edit that shit out though. I said, yeah, I made my dick hard. Yeah, you can't do that. Too many
Yo,
niggas out here.
I told him once we hit that corner, ain't nobody could come down on us.
No bullshit, y'all came down on that shit though.
Yeah, man.
That made me proud. That made me proud. Yo, guys, please barrel bags and safeties on.
Safety's on.
So,
This was your boys.
oh, Aaron. Thanks, man.
Yeah, you got
Appreciate it. Oh my god, it was hot as hell. But
You on that fucking corner?
yep. Yep.
I couldn't see. All I saw was my paint hitting by you. You guys start over there, you just ran that.
Nah, we ran that. Cause I'm like, once we hit that corner, ain't nobody could come down to the
Nah.
to the side. So
I can't feel paint when it hits me. I just feel that shit a minute after.
yeah, you don't feel it when it just hit. You feel it after, for real. So y'all heard it. Y'all heard it. We don't play out here, bruh.
Y'all see what the fuck we was doing to these niggas, boy? We got 6 to 8 niggas on the gang.
Yes, sir. So y'all see that when we come out here every Saturday. Y'all know what's up.
New video every Saturday, nigga.
Y'all know what the fuck is up. So I'm actually home now, and as I can see, we had a great day today. By footage, but until next time, I'll see y'all Saturday with another paintball vlog. You heard? Yes, sir.